2022 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L. That's the fancier one. Hi everyone, my name is Carter and I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Only 14,000 miles on this one owner Pacifica. Again, only 14,000 miles, independently inspected. One owner, clear Carfax, bumper to bumper factory warranty. Black on black with the black and beige interior, leather, quads, stow and go front and middle, or middle and back. Heated seats up front, heated steering wheel, remote start, big touchscreen, really nice. Just a really beautiful van. That factory warranty can be extended very reasonably. You can do that well in our finance office. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved at the AutoramaAuto.com. That's AutoramaAuto.com. And we can have you in and out under 20 minutes. I'm not kidding. We're not like the big box stores. We're not going to keep you all day. When you're pre-approved, you're in and out 20 minutes. Get pre-approved. You like it. You love it. You leave with it. 20 minutes. We're not even going to give you a cup of coffee. You're not going to be here that long. Again, let's take a little closer look to the van. So, power seats, heated steering wheel, huge touchscreen, all the safety stuff, Android hookups, phone hookups, all that good stuff. Quad seats, fold down third row, fold down second row. Pacifica is a really great van. Option for option, $7,000 to $10,000 less than a Toyota or a Honda. Let's talk about price. I know you're going to find them priced cheaper out there because we put honest prices on our vehicles. We have drive it away prices on our vehicles. Price you see, price you pay, drive it away. Price you see, price you pay, drive it away. The only fee we have is a $145 dock fee, and guess what? This is your video coupon. Hey, Corey, give these folks a free dock. That's right. Show this to Corey, our finance guy, and he's going to give you a free dock fee. So price you see, price you pay, drive it away. So let's recap. 2022 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L, one owner, clear Carfax, 14,000 miles, independently inspected, fast financing, no hidden fees, price you see, price you pay, drive it away. That is the advantage of doing business with Autorama. Come and join us.